Today we are going to unbox Rapoo V500 Pro mechanical keyboard. It has mechanical keys. Key life is up to 60 million operations. Anti-ghosting, all keys are conflict free. Spill resistant design, individually backlit keys are available. Aluminum alloy surface cover. Okay. We are going to unbox it right now. It is MRP priced BDT 6300. You will get some discount in various shop. Okay, we are opening the box. This is a USB cable. And this is our keyboard, Rapoo V500 Pro keyboard. This is user manual, warranty card, whatever it is. Let's see the keyboard. See, it's really nice to look at. It's really beautiful, conflict free design for all keys. Adjustable backlit also available. A multicolor adjustable backlit system lightens the keys individually, adding to the alloy surface finish, making V500 Pro more eye-catching. They mentioned it in their website. Aluminum surface cover, sturdy portable keyboard design. It supports USB 3, nano USB receiver plug and play, compatible to Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 10, 11, Mac OS. 104 mechanical keys, dimension 37mm keyboard height, keyboard width 434mm, keyboard depth 131mm, keyboard weight 805 gram only. QWERTY keyboard, standard keyboard layout. It's really nice, colorful, viewers, and the key sound is also really very attracting to me. Hope you will like it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.